Hey guys, so our today's topic is center of gravity indicator, and this indicator is especially helpful if you want to take quick intraday gains. So whatever I have seen that apart from swing trading, this indicator is especially helpful in intraday trading. So now you will tell me, sir, you are telling us about so many indicators. You have told us about Bollinger Bands, you have told us about awesome oscillator, you have told us about alligator. So what will we do by learning so many indicators? Now guys, my job is to explain all the indicators to you, and you will choose your indicator from your trading style, because someone may find Bollinger Band helpful and someone else may find this center of gravity helpful, because your and his trading style may be different. And I have seen, especially for intraday traders, if you want to book quick intraday gains, this center of gravity indicator strategy is very helpful. So let us learn the center of gravity indicator strategy today.
But before that, let me give you a short intro of mine. Hello friends, I am Indrajit Mukherjee from stockmaniacs.net. If you want to grow your wealth from the stock and commodity markets, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon. You can also send me your stock market related queries through WhatsApp in my number +91 96743 21856. I have written a blog post on this particular strategy. I'll give you the link of the blog post in the video description. So here we have discussed in details on how you can get quick intraday gains using the center of gravity indicator strategy. So basically this center of gravity indicator is a very new indicator. It is a very recent indicator, and John F Ehlers, he introduced this center of gravity or COG indicator just in 2002. So you can understand it is a very new indicator, and this is a very smooth indicator. The smoothing helps to clearly see price turning points, and the indicator also helps to see price reversals quite early. And these fast and early actions can be taken due to the zero lag effect. So we can tell this indicator a zero lag kind of indicator. It is a lagging indicator, but still the lagging is much less compared to other lagging indicators. So there is the center of gravity indicator formula. I am not going to discuss the indicator formula in this video. If you are interested to know the formula, you can visit the blog post, and there you will get the full details on how COG is calculated. Now, how to set up the center of gravity indicator on your charts. So we'll see how you can attach the indicator on the trading terminals. I will give two examples. One is on Zerodha Kite and next one is on Upstocks Pro. So this is Zerodha Kite. This is Nifty 50, that means Nifty Index 5 minutes chart. And here we will try to attach the center of gravity indicator. So here at the studies section in Zerodha Kite, click on the studies. You will get all the studies that are available on the Zerodha Kite. Here you will get center of gravity. Click on center of gravity, and the default parameters will pop up. The default period is 10 and the default field is close. Apart from close, you can also plot the center of gravity indicator on other fields like open, high, low, close, HL by 2, HLC by 3, or HLCC by 4, or OHLC by 4. So I am going with the default field, that is close. So I am going to plot the indicator on the close price. And there is also a result. Result means the color of the indicator. Color of the indicator is by default white, but you can also change the color. So I'll click on done, and the center of gravity indicator is plotted on Zerodha Kite. Now I'll see how we can plot the center of gravity indicator on Upstocks. So this is Upstocks Pro. Let us enlarge the chart first. This is Adani Ports chart, 1 minute chart. So we will try to attach the center of gravity indicator in this chart. Here at the indicator section, click on this place. You will get all the indicators that are available on Upstocks Pro. You will get center of gravity over here. Click on that. You can see just same like Zerodha, the default period is 10. The default field is close, and you can also choose other fields. And the result, that means the color of the indicator is by default white, but you can also change the color of the indicator. Click on apply, and on Upstocks Pro also you can plot the center of gravity. Now we have already discussed how to attach the center of gravity indicator on your trading terminal or on your chart. Now we will go with the center of gravity indicator strategy, and we will find how we can get quick intraday gains using this simple indicator. So first let us learn the simple trading strategy. So there will be no catch, no tweak. In this simple indicator strategy, we can see that whenever the center of gravity indicator turns down from up, so it is a sell signal, and whenever it turns up from bottom, so it is a buy signal. So sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So the market runs in cyclical fashion, and similarly this indicator also runs in a cyclical fashion. But that is not so easy to find out the cycle in a real life example. Let us check in the Zerodha kite. You can find, as per the simple trading strategy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. But in real time, you will not going to understand when actually the market will turn and when the indicator will turn, because I am testing it on a static chart. But whenever in the dynamic chart in the market you are testing this indicator, you will not be able to understand when the indicator will actually turn down. So we will use another indicator, a moving average. Click on studies, go to moving average, select moving average and find a 5 moving average, and instead of close field we will attach the moving average on the COG or the center of gravity. Click on done, and now you can see, you can understand when the center of gravity will turn up or turn down. So there is a sell signal, you can see this is a sell signal, the market went down, then we got a buy signal, market went up, then a sell signal, the market once again went down, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, and so on. So the center of gravity indicator clearly identifies the buy and sell positions using some simple tweak, and you can see many of these signals are quite profitable. This is a profitable signal, once again this is a highly profitable signal, then a profitable signal. Then the market was a bit range bound, so these signals has not yielded that much of profit. But if you want to get quick intraday gains, you can set up a target and you can set up a small stop loss, and you can get quick profits, quick intraday gains out of this center of gravity indicator strategy. Now the trading strategy number 2, that is divergence trading. Similarly, like other oscillator, center of gravity can also identify the divergence. So whenever the market going up but the center of gravity is going down, that is a bearish divergence. And similarly, whenever the market is going down but the center of gravity is going up, so that is a bullish divergence. So this is an example of a bearish divergence. We will try to find out a bearish divergence in real life example. This is the Nifty daily chart. You can see the Nifty is slowly moving up, but you can see the center of gravity is not moving up, rather it is moving down. Here Nifty was here and center of gravity was here. When Nifty has picked up, the center of gravity actually has not picked up, it has actually moved down. So that is a bearish divergence, and you can see the huge fall after this divergence has occurred. So how to trade this divergence? Do not counter trend trade just because the divergence has happened. Rather use a supporting indicator like a trend line. Go to line, draw a trend line, and if along with this divergence a trend line break also happens, then you can take a counter trend trade. And you can see how early, just near to the top, it has seen a trend line breakdown and the market has seen a big fall. So you can see the center of gravity indicator is almost a zero lag indicator, and it can show you the exact turning points very early. Now my dear friends, let us see some advanced trading strategies, advanced center of gravity indicator strategy to find quick intraday gains. So let us combine the COG with some other indicators like RSI. So this strategy is also simple, but this is a bit advanced strategy. Simple, still advanced. So we will attach a RSI indicator. So find the RSI. This is the RSI. Keep the normal period 14, but the overbought is by default 80 and oversold is by default 20. We will make both the overbought as 50 and oversold also as 50. And let us change the colors. Let us click the overbought color as red and set the oversold color as green. Click on done. So by this method we can easily identify when the RSI is going above the 50 mark or when it is going below the 50 mark. Now we will add another object. We will add a horizontal line. And we will add this horizontal line on this COG indicator. We will try to find out the midpoint of this COG. You need not to calculate this midpoint with very high precision. Rather, check it with your eyes and try to draw a line almost at the midpoint. So that's all. So now the strategy is simple. We will open up a buy order when the RSI is above 50 as well as the center of gravity is also above the midpoint. And we will open up a sell order whenever the RSI is below 50 and the center of gravity is also below the midpoint. So that is the strategy. Now check here the RSI is above 50 as well as the center of gravity has also crossed the midpoint. So in this bar actually this has triggered. So this is the entry bar. We will enter on the next bar and we will keep a small stop loss. We will keep a stop loss just below few ticks of this bar. And we will also keep a small target because our main motto is to get quick intraday gains out of this indicator. So you can see after this entry has triggered, the market went up from there. So if you are a quick profit booker, you can book quick intraday gains out of this strategy. Similarly, here the center of gravity is already below the center line and the RSI has also went below the 50 mark. So it is your sell signal. You can keep the stop loss few ticks above this entry bar and you can go short. You can see that from there the market has went down and you can book quick intraday gains. Once again, here the RSI has went above the 50 mark but the center of gravity has not crossed the center line. So this is not a buy signal. You can filter out false signals. Next, once again the RSI has gone below the 50 mark and center of gravity is below the center line as well. So this is once again your sell signal. You can keep a stop loss just above this bar, a few ticks above this bar, and you can go short. You can book quick intraday gains out of this signal also. Once again RSI has moved above the 50 mark but still the center of gravity is below the center line. So still no long position. RSI has moved up and center of gravity is still below the center line. Here also there is no long, here there was no long, here also there was no long. So you can only trade short signals. So you can only trade short signals. Here was a sell signal, once again there was a sell signal, the last sell signal was a big winner, but you keep small targets and small stop losses. You can see in a particular day, in one day only you can get 4-5 signals and most of them will be winners. So if you are happy with quick profits, if you are looking for quick intraday gains, this center of gravity indicator strategy is for you. And this is highly accurate. So nowadays brokers charges very less brokerage. Brokers like Zerodha or Upstocks just charges maximum 20 rupees per intraday trade. So that means you can trade 4 to 5 times a day and you can book good amount of scalping profits and you can make intraday trading your profession also just using this simple indicator. Here in the blog post I have discussed about the trading rules and you can also visit the blog post and you can know more about the center of gravity indicator here. So I'll give you the link of the blog post in the video description.
So friends, that's all in today's center of gravity indicator strategy webinar. And I feel I have described you about the center of gravity indicator strategy and how to book quick intraday gains using this simple indicator. So if you have any questions regarding this strategy, do not forget to ask me in the comment section below this video. And if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to share it with your friends and relatives, because if you share this, someone else can also be benefited from this simple indicator, from this simple strategy. So friends, thank you once again for watching this video till the end. I wish you Merry Christmas once again. Bye bye.